Hi, today we are going to simulate routing information protocol in GNS3 software. So open GNS3 desktop application. Enter your project name here. Now go to Edit and click on iOS Images and Hypervisors. Now here, browse for the iOS image file of the router you want to use in topology. So I'm using here router 3725 image. Click on Save and then Close. Again go to Edit and click on Preferences. Go to GUI Settings under General tab and uncheck the checkbox of Always Use Manual Mode. Now, go to Dynamips tab, click on Test Settings to test and start Dynamips connection. As you can see the message that Dynamips started successfully. Now click OK. Now draw your topology with the help of network devices and cable connection. Label each interface with network and IP address. Once topology drawn, start the network devices. As you can see, interface nodes are turning in green color. Now let's start with device configuration. Right-click on Router 1 and select Console. First, assign the IP addresses to respective interfaces. So, we have assigned the IP addresses to interfaces. Now let's see them with the help of command, show IP interface brief. Now displaying the details about neighboring devices of all routers, using command, show CDP neighbor. Now, let's configure routing information protocol on each routers. We can display the current configuration of all the routers using command show running. Here I am displaying for router 1. Press space key on keyboard for more details. Now let's display the IP routes from each router. So the command is show IP route. Now let's check connectivity by pinging one router from another router. So yes, all routers are connected and working fine. Now let's configure keychain between router 1 and router 4. Here, ACN is the name of keychain and RIP practice is the key string. Configuring keychain between router 2 and router 3. Here, ACN1 is name of keychain and RIP practice 1 is the key string. Configuring RIP authentication mode MD5 between router 1 and router 4. The command is IP/RIP authentication keychain ACN, where ACN is the name of keychain we configured earlier. Configuring text authentication mode between router 2 and router 3. Text authentication mode is set as default RIP authentication mode, so no need to configure any authentication mode here. Now use command debug IP/RIP to verify the RIP authentication. Now, note that RIP authentication is the feature of RIP version 2, so to verify the RIP authentication, we need to first set the RIP version 2. To stop debugging, use command undebug all. So we have configured RIP as version 2 on all routers. Let's debug now. As you can see here, router 4 has received RIP packet with MD5 authentication. Also you can see, router 3 and 4 has received RIP packet with text authentication RIP practice 1. Enabling split horizon on router 4. Disabling split horizon on router 4. Configuring router 2 to send and receive router version updates. So this was all about simulating routing information protocol. Thanks for watching.